Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to set a GIF background in Google Chrome, GIF Live Background Chrome 2025. So let me show you how you can set a GIF background in Google Chrome whether you are using a PC, a laptop or a MacBook. So first of all, you need to search for a GIF image uh, on the web, and you just have to download that will match your vibe. And let's just download this one, and you just have to right click on the image and save image as, and you just have to uh, get a name to that image like test, and make sure to uh, place a .gif on the end of the name of the file and click on save. And after saving the file, you just go on to the Google search bar, and you can see on the right bottom corner that customize Chrome. You just have to click on that, and here you can see the change theme option. You have to click on that, and after coming here you can see an upload an image option. You have to just click on upload an image, and you have to select the GIF file you have downloaded. You have to click on that, and as you can see, it's already on my Chrome browser, and it's set a and we have set a GIF background on the Google Chrome successfully. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.